Sagar College of Engineering, which is the main college, and then the other two campus, which is Dayanand Sagar University Engineering College, and then DSATM, Dayanand Sagar Academy of Technical Management. So this, as I said, these three institutes are part of the Dayanand Sagar, institutions. And if you see about the main campus, DSI, which it notes here, is a 29-acre campus, which is based out of Shavige Maleshwara Hills areas in Bangalore, and this is a quite a good college with a great placements, and this is 29-acre campus with all good amenities and placements records. So this is for the main campus, which is Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, which is one of the top 5 engineering colleges in Bangalore. And they offer all the typical engineering branches: computers, design, electronics, electrical, ISC, and so on. So and apart from that, they do have a diploma courses at this main campus, which is Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, and which is the topmost college out of the Dayanand group of institutions, and cutoffs are very high. So this Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering has a great campus. As I said, it is equipped with a good library and digital infrastructure. And apart from that, they have a lot of partnership, or I should say MOU with leading technology solutions companies in Bangalore, and that's the reason they are able to correlate a lot of their studies with innovations in the industry. So let's get into the placement of the statistics of this Dayanand Sagar group as a whole. So this is quite good numbers, around 2,374 offers, and this is including the three colleges which I said: DSCE, DS University, and DSATM, which is the third campus on the Kanakpura road, and all the three campuses are in Bangalore. And so this is the staggering increase in the total numbers of jobs offers which are being offered from this Dayanand group of institutions. And this is for Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, the first one which I am yet discussing, which is out of 1920 year, out of 1485 students, 1240 students got a placement, around 85 to 90%, and the median salary is 5.1 lakhs. So this is only specific to the first college, which is the main college, Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, and which is the core, the college which has the highest number of recruitment in the overall group level. And these are the few of the companies which come for placement in Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, and you see all the top-notch companies, and also you see the companies from the non IT fields, which is your Timken or Tory Harris and some of them, and L&T. And apart from that, you see also snapshots, so very good infrastructure into that 29-acre campus, which is part of this group. And now coming to the fees part of it. So this fees is pretty much same for all the three colleges within Dayanand group of institutions. So if you see from the CET mode of admission, the tuition fees is and others put together, it's 1,05,000. For Comet K, it is 2,60,000. And if you are looking for through DSET, which is the other entrance exam, it is through 3,08,000. So you see there are three ways of getting it: CET, Comet K, and DSET. And I'm not discussing about those college admissions, these tests and the cutoffs, which I'll cover in the separate video, because given this, there are three colleges which I'm reviewing together. I'm not reviewing the cutoffs and the admission process, which I will review. What I'm covering today is the placement and comparison between these three colleges with respect to the infrastructure capabilities and the placements, and more on more covering towards their individual capabilities. So cutoff, admission, I'll cover in the next video, maybe just tomorrow. So this is now I'm into the second college from this group. This is not Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, it's a Dayanand Sagar University. It is a newly launched a college, part of the Dayanand Sagar group, and it's not it's around close to 8 to 10 years now. But now this college is also having good attractions with the industry, and the placements and the academic are continuously improving, and the average salaries are also going out. So I'll cover this Dayanand Sagar of University now onwards. And why DSU? So again, as I said, it is located in the heart of the city, and if you're not getting the first college, which is Dayanand Sagar College, this is the second best option. You can choose from Dayanand group of institution, and they do have the common placement. So there is only one single common placement which happens in Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, where the students from Dayanand Sagar University also attends that. So you get the same level of companies getting into into this college placements. So as I said, similar to Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, even Dayanand Sagar University has same number of same branches in computer science, AI, ML, data sciences, aerospace, and mechanical and electronics. So, and you see this college is very much towards the emerging or the IT part of it, and you don't see here the branches like civil, chemical, and those sort, right? And electrical is not there. Now coming to the placement of DSU, Dayanand Sagar University. So this is also showing a good trend around 360, 70 and so on people. 2021 was still going on when I took this report, but around 350 people get placed every year, and that was even 400 some years back. So you see from last few years, 7 years, it has been also showing a good number of placements. If you're not getting into DSC, this is a good option. So and a few of the highlights from the DSU, the Dayanand Sagar University, is the company, same companies visit the Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, and the students travel and participate in the complete process. And you see Human Resonica, which is Japan-based company, so that offered around 20 lakhs highest salary, which is the highest salary in DSU, Dayanand Sagar University, and its campus is in Hosur Road as well as the electronics in Kanakpura Road. The other company, Japanese Giant, has gone 20 lakhs around. Now I'm coming to the third college of it, Dayanand Sagar Group, which is again Bangalore. It's called DSATM, Dayanand Sagar Academy of Technology and Management. So this is again a good college which has come into Bangalore itself, and apart from DSU and DSCE, which I have already reviewed, and this is based in Kanakpura Road. So this facility is also launched in 2011. So close to now, how much 10 years are 10 years have over. So this facility is 10 acres. The first one was 29 acres, the second was around 5 acres, and this one is around 10 acres. So also this is a third infrastructure wise also, this is a very good, nice, beautiful campus in the outskirts of Bangalore and on the Kanakpura Road, and this also has come up very good placement. So I'll just show the placements of this college very soon. So if you can see here from 2021 figure, this also has a good placement, and you can see Accenture 62 people, students DXC 34, Cognizant 32, and all put together here also around 300 to 400 students get placed every year. And the type of companies which students get placed is similar to other two campuses, because the placement drive is a joint one, and similar companies visit, but only the package difference is there. So now coming to the overall level, Dayanand Sagar Group, it has got a good placement, as I showed. That has got a very good hostel, food courts, messes, which are part of the campus facility. Even the 29-acre one, DSCE, has a very good facilities of all of these, and even the other one, DSATM, which is Kanakpura Road one, it has a 10-acre facility. So those have, I think only DSU has a smaller campus and lesser, hostels facilities. Now coming to the events, right? So they host a lot of events throughout the year. Some of them is a country week at the international festival, so where students get a good opportunity. And this is 3-day event, and all the three people from three campus participate here. And they also do have a graduation day ceremony, and where students participate in a host number of programs based on their appetite and the branch. Now coming to all other infrastructure facilities in campus, they do have a banking, hospital, insurance, everything on the campus to take care of students' need, and transportation for anybody who is in Bangalore who is not revealing or taking the facilities from college. Then he can use the transportation facilities which is available. And apart from that, you will see a lot of good. So please please subscribe to this video and